सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। सॉरी, शुक्रिया। और ये सब धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। थैंक यू धन्यवाद। Because I just got overwhelmed by the crowd. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank the people from all across the country, from every state. People have showed immense love equally. So I would like to thank the entire nation for pouring this wildfire of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. They love me, wild love, Thank you. And Pushpa naam samjhe, flower samjhe, इस बार फायर में वाइल्ड फायर and I'd like to thank all the Indians across the globe for watching this film and pouring immense love, and also I'd like to thank all the crossover audience who are watching Indian films from across the globe. Thank you so much. Pushpa ko national subject है इस बार international. Thank you very much. And most importantly, I would like to thank the entire team of Pushpa, my producers, Ravi Garu, my distributors, Anil Garu, and all my technicians, my artists, and above all, one man who made this entire success possible. All credit goes to, of course, everybody is a part of this credit. Credit goes to everybody, but it all has to sum up. It sums up to one person's vision, and that's none other than my director, who's ruling Indian cinema box office. All my highest respects for my director. It is his success. It is none other than my director, Bandi Sukumar Reddy garu. It's purely his vision. It's purely his hard work and vision that has put us all at this level. Darling, on a personal note, thank you. I owe this entire credit just to you. All of us owe this credit to you. And I also, careful. At the same time, I would like to thank the film industry across all the states. I'd like to first thank the Hindi film industry for bringing immense support to Pushpa 1. You know, Pushpa cannot be Pushpa without the support of the Hindi audience and the Hindi film industry. Each one of us have given so much love and support. So many directors, so many actors, technicians have poured in so much love and support on social media and making Pushpa 1 what it is. So I'd like to thank the entire Hindi film industry for the support, and the Tamil film industry, and the Kannada film industry, the Bengali, the Malayali, and of course the Telugu film industry. They have given immense support, and they have accommodated us for the Pushpa release on this December 5th. Every industry that showed so much grace and so much love for us. I'd like to thank every industry from across the country for showing their love and support. Thank you. And also, I would like to thank the government from every state, the governments, the police department, and the media from every state for supporting this film. I would like to thank the government of India for supporting the film industry, because so much has been possible. It cannot be possible without the help of the government. So from the film industry, I would like to say thank you very much. And once again, what can I say? This is wild. This is ये love नहीं है, ये wild love है. Thank you India. धन्यवाद. Thank you India. Thank you. It's not just my victory. Believe me, it is our country's victory. One film is celebrated across so many. That one film is celebrated in so many states. It shows the beauty of this country, and I'm humbled to each and every one of you for being so generous. Thank you. Once again, thank you, India. That's all I can say. And not as Pushparaj, but as a simple Indian, I would like to say, as an Indian standing at the capital of this country, I would like to say that I believe India will lead the future of the world. India will be the leading country of the world. And ये नया भारत है। ये आप जीतेगा नहीं, ये जीतेगा नहीं। Wow, thank you. Thank you. We should have to say for a bit more. And guys, it's just 30% of the thank you and dhanyawad because 70% of the wildfire is still to come. Sir, please hold for a second. So the media persons are here. So what will be your words for sale? Because उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसको print किया है, telecast किया है. What would you like to say? I'd like to thank the media from all the states. Thank you so much for your love and support. There's no way the movie can have this much reach without your love and support. So I'd like to thank all the media across all the states. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, हमने मीडिया से तो पूछा what's their favorite scene from the movie, but we wish to know what's your favorite scene from the movie. One scene.
Yeah, and I'm saying this from the capital.
Please maintain the microphone.
And every time I say it, it's not just Pushpa for me is not just about myself. It's about the attitude of every Indian. I wanted to carry, whenever we say to answer you, my favorite moment in Pushpa is, I'm saying this as an Indian, not just as a character of Pushpa. Every single time I said, "मैं झुकेगा नहीं."
Yeah. But sir, last question sir. Pushpa 1 was झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 2 हरगिज़ झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa 3
हम झुकेगा नहीं साला.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sir. And we wish ये 1000 CR जो है ये अभी 7, 8, 10 में कन्वर्ट होता जाए and wildfire बढ़ती जाए.
Thank you. And about the 1000 number, I would like to say something. The 1000 number is a reflection of the people's love. The numbers are temporary, but the love that is etched in your hearts will remain forever. And thank you for the love.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I always believe that the numbers always have to be broken. And yes, I'll also tell you the truth that it's nice to be in this spot, and to enjoy this state. Probably for 2-3 months I'd like to be on this spot and enjoy all these records and everything. But within 2-3 months, maybe hopefully at the next summer, I would want all these records to be broken by the next. It doesn't matter which film it is, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, does not matter. But I want these records to be broken soon because that is progression. That means that India is going up. So I would like to say, I would like to wish everybody that these numbers should be broken as soon as possible, and that is growth. And I love growth. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, just one thing I would like to say. There are 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands in India.
Okay.
And उन सबके घर में लड़ाई चल रही है क्योंकि आपने एक फोटो के चक्कर में सीएम बदलवा दिया. और यहाँ पर लड़ाई इस बात की कि तुम एक गुलाब लेके नहीं आ सकते. 37 crore 8,34,328 husbands की कंप्लेंट है सर.
For all those, how many crores?
37 crore 8 lakhs
38 crore.
38 crore.
To all the 38 crore husbands, I tell you one thing. Listen to your wife.
और सर मेरे घर में एक छोटा सा नरेश हो गया, मुझे वो शेयर करना था आपको. मेरी बीवी ने कहा तुम्हारी गलती है, सॉरी बोल दो. मैं बोला झुकेगा नहीं साला, 3 दिन से खाना बन रहा है.
वाइफ के सामने झुको.
Yes, ये गुरु मंत्र है. वाइफ के सामने हर कोई झुकेगा,
औरत के सामने झुको.
Yes. Thank you so much. Very nice message. Sir, any last words before for the media? Any last words that you would like to say? Thank you, India. Thank you so much, Ravi sir. Please, big round of